Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof.
And Lee.
And we're here with the cleaning fairy.
Actually, no, I'm the cleaning fairy, honey. We're here with the cleaning fairy assistant.
I only ever see her working.
You don't ever see her working.
Yeah, I do. Guys, anyone who knows my wife knows that she does an excellent job maintaining the house.
But every once in a while, a girl needs some assistance. And that's where this little beauty comes in.
My beautiful wife was on me and on me and on me about, I need a Roomba, I need a Roomba, I need a Roomba. I ain't trying to spend Roomba money.
And to be honest, neither was I.
So, she did some research online and came up with this product on Amazon. It's called a Eufy. That's how I'm pronouncing it. Link in the description. And it is essentially a self-propelling vacuum cleaner.
And one of the great things about this little guy is we have 3 cats and 2 dogs. If you have animals, they most likely shed. And that hair gets everywhere.
This guy does an excellent job. Actually, girl, her name is Rosie. She does an excellent job picking up all of the hair.
Now we've had her for about 5 months now. And I use her, I would say, about once a week. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I have absolutely 0 complaints with this thing. It is amazing.
Battery life wise, it'll do our entire main floor of the house, so about 1,200 square feet, without needing to go redock herself.
Now the one thing I have found with letting it do the entire house, couple pointers here. A, make sure all of your cat and dog toys are picked up, because it will try to eat them. You do have to occasionally empty the docking station, or the, not docking station, the hopper, because it will get full.
Especially if it's going through a high volume dirt area.
So I do find that. I do find it will fit under nearly all of our furniture with ease and smoothness, I should say. It's quite amazing, actually.
Which to me is great, because that means it gets underneath the couch and the love seat where all that hair ends up trapping. It's got a couple of features on the remote that I don't know that we've used, but I did look into those. It has just an edge cleaning where you can select the button and it'll only go around the edges. It won't cut across the middle of the rooms, which is kind of neat. There's also just a single room, so you can set it to clean just a single area and it won't go beyond those bounds. And of course there's the send me back home Rosie button.
Now thankfully with Rosie here that I found, generally when we run her, we're running her for the entire house. And as she starts to lose charge or starts losing her battery, her light goes from blue to an orangish amber yellow. And at that point, she switches modes. She goes into what I would call like a battery saving mode. And her only goal is to get back to the docking station. So she will actually go back to the docking station all on her own when her battery starts dying. So there's none of this hunt and peck. Where did she stop working? Is it under the couch? Is it in the bedroom? She goes back to her docking station and just automatically docks herself and starts charging again.
Don't get us wrong, she will scream when she gets stuck.
Yes, if she gets caught on anything, she will start alarming. And she will do that for about a minute.
And if you don't realize that's what you're hearing and it takes you more than a minute to realize it's Roxie, then you have to find her.
Yes, because she goes, peace out, and powers off.
All in all, what's really great though, my biggest concern about getting an automatic vacuum cleaner was if one of the dogs had an accident or one of the cats threw up and this thing rolls through it.
Which is a genuine concern. Thankfully, I only run it when I'm here.
And the reason this is important is because it's really super quiet.
Yes, it's very quiet. Unlike a lot of models that we've been told are very loud, this one is actually quite quiet.
You're gonna hear it, but it's definitely not enough to interfere with anything going on, which is nice. So Rosie, whatever her name is, she can run in the background, sweeping and cleaning, and my wife can be scrubbing pots and pans. Or folding laundry.
Now it's not uncommon for me to stick her in a bedroom and just shut the door and just be like, go in there, do your thing, I'll come back and get you in a little bit. She does have some difficulty on certain rugs. So if you have a thick,
Like a shag carpet.
like a shag carpet rug, if it's something that's got quite a bit of texture to it, she does have trouble with those. But if you have a smooth standard, like a carpet rug, she'll clean it just fine without any issues.
Yeah, and she's got no trouble transitioning from hardwood to our area rugs and even to our tile entryway. She has no troubles at all.
All in all, guys, I would give her 2 thumbs up. I would highly recommend her. She's a great price versus the competition, and I think she does a phenomenal job. She doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some of the other ones, but honestly, I don't see where you need them.
Yeah, she definitely earns her keep in our house.
We will put the link down below for this beautiful thing, should you be inquiring into it. I tell you, it would not be a waste of money on your part. It is amazing.
Indeed. So guys, let us know if you have any tips or tricks that you use around the house to help keep it clean. My wife is always looking for suggestions. And we'll catch you guys next time.
Toodles. Bye. I was trying to think of a snazzy comeback, but I couldn't come up with any.
That's okay. Maybe you'll think of something while you're mopping.
Yeah, let me get on that.
That'd be great.